Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are working on 2011 BMW 323i and we are changing the rear shocks of this car. So let's do it. So first of all, you have to open the locks from here. So these are the type of locks. You can use screwdriver to open these one up. There were four locks. So one, two, and one was up there, three, and yeah, there was only three. So just open this one up and pull that blanket down, and you can see there was a cap over there like this. So that's the plastic cap over there, sorry, rubber cap. So you can just take this out like this, and here your rear shock upper bolt, you have to open this one up. So to open this bolt you need a that one. It's a 5x8 and a ratchet and a 6 mm socket, so that you can put your ratchet here like this and put your key over there first, and then hold that thing with the ratchet so that you can rotate this bolt. So let me show you. So that's your wrench and that's your socket. So with this one you can hold the bolt, and with this one you can start rotating like this. And I hope you guys can see. That's how you can open the bolt from top like this. So just open it up all the way. Once you open this up, it will come up like this. So we have few things over there. Yeah, it's good now. So our next step is to open the tire, and I'll show you which bolt you have to open. Let's first open the wheel. So after removing wheel, that's your shock, and you see it's pretty much bad. It's leaking so much bad. So to open this up, there is a bolt down there. Let me show you guys. So that's the bolt of your shock. You have to open this one up. It's the same thing. The way you open the top one, the same way we have to open that lower one. So let's open this one first. So that one is your 17 mm bolt. You can use ratchet or gun to open this up. And to take this one out, you have to pull all the way down like this, and it will come out, and you have to do a little bit hammering on the down too, so that you can take it out. So as you see the difference between our old shock, it's pretty bad, and that's our new one which we're putting. So it's from A Premium. To put this one back, you have to put here, let me show you. There's a hole over there, so you can put your shock down there and push it down. And before that you can just put that thing. That thing is pretty good. The rubbers are not worn out, so we can use that one. And you can just put it like this. You can put it like this, and this will go in like this. So let's do this one. So just let you know how to put this one back. First press this one down, your shock all the way down, and put here first, and then align it with the hole, and it will go up automatically. So you don't have to do anything. Just press it down and insert your shock here, and then just align with the hole, and it will go up automatically. So right now it's pretty fit, so we don't have to worry about anything. We have to put the lower bolt down, and after that we're gonna put, as you can see, it already come up. So we're gonna tighten this up fully. Yeah, and after that we are good to go. So let's tighten this one up. So that's how you can replace the rear shock on 2011 BMW. The lower bolt torque was around 74 LB fit LB or LB fit, whatever. And the upper one you can just tight it with your hand. It doesn't have any torque or something like that. So yeah, that's all for today, and that's how you can change the rear shock on your BMW 323i. I hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.